I have just built an AI sales coach trained on some of the best frameworks from Alex Hormozi that tells you exactly what you need to say in real time during your sales calls. Check this out. Is that an investment that you're willing to take?
This would be doable. I would have to first speak to my wife because she's handling the finances.
I totally understand that you need to speak with your wife. What do you think her main concern would be, and how would you address it?
She would probably say no because maybe she might not trust it. She might not believe that an AI solution is going to actually solve this problem.
Absolutely. So if this is the first time on the channel, hi, my name is Ahmed. I've been running an AI automation agency for over a year now, helping businesses integrate custom AI solutions, voice agents, and automations to help them save time and increase revenue. As you might know, a lot of people have been jumping into the AI automation space, trying to start their own business, and I have many members inside my school community that are trying to do exactly that. And after speaking to a bunch of them, a lot of people seem to struggle with the sales part of the process, especially those that come from a technical background, a bit like myself. We really struggle with discovery calls and actually closing clients on those calls. Trust me, I've had to learn the hard way after doing hundreds of discovery calls with people that tell you they will get back to you later and more lost leads that I would like to admit. Over time and by putting the reps in, I've managed to improve my sales skills a lot. However, I still wanted that next level. I wanted something that would tell me exactly what I need to say during the times that it mattered the most, and that's during the sales call. I wanted a tool that would actually improve my sales skills, not just by reading a script, but dynamically taking in what the client said and tell me what the best thing to say is during that moment. So you might have used like a script to follow during the sales calls with some objection handling and things to say when things go wrong, or you might have been using note takers and things like Fathom AI to do some post-call analysis to see what went wrong and how to improve it for next time. However, that's not good enough. We want to actually close the deals during the calls. So that's why I built Mozi AI, a real-time AI sales coach that listens to the conversation, recognizes the different objections, follows the framework of Alex Hormozi, and gives you real-time suggestions and actionable nudges. So with that being said, let's jump in and see how it works. Right, so the moment you log in, you come to the dashboard, and this is where you see some of the stats of your calls. So you see the total sessions, average sentiment of those calls, and how many coaching tips. So just some basic stats that you're able to quickly glance at. And to get started, we want to connect with Zoom. So currently we're only integrating with Zoom. So to do this, we just click on Connect Zoom here, which will take us to the OAuth page. And all we have to do is just click Allow. And voila, we have successfully connected with Zoom and we can get started. So now we're able to go to the call section here. So here we're able to see the recent calls at the bottom here, all of the previous calls that we've had. We're able to also see the summary, click on the summary or delete a session. But that's not really important. The main thing is we're able to start listening, and this will create a session to join any active Zoom calls to start listening to the call and provide you with real-time AI coaching. But before we get into the demo, I want to just quickly break down a high-level overview of the application and how it works. So I have this flowchart here, and if we start on the left-hand side here, we've got the Zoom call where a prospect and the sales rep or yourself will join the meeting room. And then we have live transcription and real-time audio streams streaming to the Mozi AI platform. And for the AI analysis engine, we're using Gemini 2.5 live for that real-time communication to give us live coaching suggestions. And we're using WebSockets for the real-time updates. We also have call analytics that are stored in Supabase database for the post-call analysis. And another important part is the authentication between Zoom and the platform. And for that, we're using Zoom OAuth as you just saw. So let's get back to the application and start the demo. And to do this, I'm gonna have to pretend to be the prospect and also the salesperson. And the scenario here is that the client has a towing truck company and he would like to implement a voice AI solution that's able to handle the inbound calls. So I'll join as the prospect from my phone and I'll use the computer as the salesperson. So let me set everything up and get started. So if you're a business owner, or if you've got a sales team, or you're running an AI automation agency and you want to improve your sales, the platform is currently in beta testing. So if you want to get your hands on it as soon as it's released, I'll leave a link to the waitlist in the description down below. So make sure you go and sign up. Right, so to kick things off, I'm going to start listening here, and then I'll also start the Zoom call. As you can see here, we have the live coaching on the left and a live transcript on the right. I'm just going to join via my phone. All right, how you doing, Steve? What made you take the time out to hop on a call with us today? Tell me a bit about yourself and your company and how we can help you.
Is this something that you guys are able to do?
So if I'm understanding you correctly, you're looking to scale your towing business, especially handling after call hours with AI solution. Is this right? Does this sound like something that you are wanting?
Yeah, this is absolutely correct. So how much would something like this cost?
That's a great question, and we'll definitely get to the pricing. But before that, have you tried to handle these after hour calls and scale your business? And if so, what kind of stuff have you tried to implement already? Right, so you're currently spending $5,000 a month just on the phone handling. So how many calls would you say you're missing, and how much money do you think you're missing out on by not implementing this solution? So that's a total of $13,000 to $25,000 a month that this problem is costing you. Would you say this is correct? So does that sound like a solution that will help you capture those missed calls and stop losing $13,000 to $25,000 a month?
Yeah, once you put it like that, it's definitely something that we would like to implement. So how much would it be for something like this?
Before we get into the numbers, what makes this a yes for you and what makes this a no?
It's definitely a yes because it's obviously going to save us money and it's going to generate us more revenue. This would be a no depending on the cost. We might not be able to go ahead with this solution.
I totally understand that the cost is a factor. Just so I know what we're working with, what kind of budget did you have in mind for this solution?
Somewhere in the range of 2,000, I think should be good for implementing this solution. But honestly, I'm not sure. I don't know. You're the expert. Please tell me what you think the cost for this system is.
So if we say that a system that's saving you $13,000 a month, right? Let's just go for the lower range of the calculations that we did. Would it be safe to say that a solution that costs only 10% of that a month would be good for you? Is that an investment that you're willing to take?
This would be doable. I would have to first speak to my wife because she's handling the finances.
I totally understand that you need to speak with your wife. What do you think her main concern would be, and how would you address it?
Yeah, so I think she would probably say no because maybe she might not trust it. She might not believe that an AI solution is going to actually solve this problem.
Absolutely. So we will build a MVP that we can quickly iterate on and test so that you're able to see in action before we dive into the more complex stages of the build. So for that, we will just need an initial investment from you. You can get started and build out the solution. How does that sound?
I think this will be good. I would love to go ahead with this. Please put together a proposal and we will go ahead and sign it.
Fantastic. So let's go ahead and do that. Thanks a lot, Steve. Take care. Right, so as you can see here, the prompts are very helpful. For sometimes you might just need to skip some of the things that they mentioned. I will need to fine tune the prompt slightly more. And you can also see the transcripts in real time. So you can see it here. As soon as I finish talking, it will just go directly to the UI. You're able to keep track of the conversation. And if I end the call now, we get taken to the call summary page, and this is very comprehensive. We can see a lot of things here. So to start off, on the right hand side, we can see the duration, how many participants. This is a bug that will get fixed. How many questions asked, total messages, and then the talk time ratio. So this is good because as the salesperson, you want to kind of speak less. So I was doing a lot of waffling, and this is why the ratio is higher for me than a prospect. On the left, we can see the executive summary. So this is a bit like the Fathom kind of style at the end of the call to give you a summary of what's going on. So you have an overview, you've got the outcome and the next steps. And then we can get down to the sentiment analysis section. You can see the overall sentiment for the call and the engagement for the call, and then the sentiment score for both the salesperson and the prospect. And then you can see some key insights here. For example, you can see here strong paying ROI framing. The prospect accepts 13 to 25K monthly loss calculation and recognizes the value. So just to give you a quick example of the kind of insights that we're able to pull out. And then we're able to see also some coaching insights. So this is very helpful to see what the strengths were and how you can improve next time. So you can see good ROI, clear MVP, areas for improvement. So we didn't schedule the next meeting, and this is something you should aim to do during the call. And then you're able to also see the full transcript and download that as a text file. And then at the top here, we can just see an overall success rating and close probability. So you can see it's very comprehensive and it's so helpful having this. And I've been using it myself for the past week or so. So a few things I would like to mention, and just to keep it real, obviously we're human and this is not very easy to do. So we've got a live sales score on one side, and we've got the live AI suggestions on the right side, and we need to be able to multitask and quickly glance over at the prompts, and also make sure our headspace is still within the sales call. So it does need some training and getting used to. However, it has been very helpful, and I'd want to improve it, of course, even more. This is just a quick MVP. I would like to improve the prompt and make sure it's a bit more personalized, maybe add some of the solutions that we're able to offer, maybe some price ranges that we currently do, so that the agents can be a bit more tailored and helpful. And also maybe incorporate some kind of like training mode where you're able to talk to an AI prospect so that you can train and practice talking to a client and also looking at the coaching prompts. So there has a lot of room for improvements. And of course, if you have any ideas, make sure you drop a comment down below of what you'd like to see inside of this app. I already have a very cool feature that I'm going to incorporate inside of here, and I'll leave that for the next video. I'm super excited for this project, and like I said, if you want to get your hands on this, I'll leave the link to the waiting list in the description down below, and it also helped me gauge if this is something people are actually interested in, or is it just myself that I found very helpful. So make sure you go ahead and sign up to that. I will also be opening up the beta round for some of the members inside my school community, so if you want a chance to get early access to this, make sure you go ahead and sign up to that. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well down below. And with that being said, I know this wasn't like a tutorial style video like I always do, but I hope you found some kind of value in this. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.